Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. If you are preparing to take the Praxis Social Studies Government and Citizen Test 5004, then let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Who is considered to be the head of state of the United States government? A, the Speaker of the House, whose duties include administering the oath of office to members of the House of Representatives, granting permission to speak on the House floor, among others. B, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, who manages the court, including assigning judges to cases. C, the Secretary of State. They are appointed by the President and is his or her chief foreign affairs advisor. And D, the President, who is in fact the head of the government of the United States, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, and the head of state. So the answer is D. Which of the following is a major feature of democratic government? A, single-party rule. B, hereditary succession. C, autocratic leadership. Or D, free and fair elections. Let's look first at what defines a democracy. Some key aspects include respect for basic human rights, respect for rule of law, democratic voting system, citizen participation, and democratic governance. So let's look again at our options. Single-party rule. This is where one party controls the government. If there are other parties, they are limited or controlled. Hereditary succession. This is when power is passed from one member of the ruling family to another. Autocratic leadership. This is absolute power held by one person, as in dictatorships and some monarchies. D, free and fair elections. If we look at the definition of a democracy, our answer is clearly D. Which branch of the United States government has the power to veto bills? A, the judicial branch. B, the executive branch. C, the legislative branch. Or D, the electoral branch. Well, there are actually only three branches of the United States government: judicial, executive, and legislative. So we can cross out D right away. Now, let's get into the other three. The judicial branch evaluates laws. So that's courts, including the Supreme Court. The executive branch carries out the laws. That is the president, vice president, and federal agencies. And the legislative branch makes the laws, Congress. However, they can override a veto with the support of 2/3 of the Senate and the House of Representatives. But let's look again at the question. Which branch of the United States government has the power to veto bills? And that could only be the executive branch. Why is the Magna Carta considered an important document in the history of government and citizenship? A, it was the first document to establish a formal education system. B, it was the first document to grant all people the right to vote. C, it was the first document to limit the power of the king and protect the rights of individuals. Or D, it was the first document to establish a democratic government. Magna Carta means Great Charter. The Magna Carta was written in 1215 by barons, who are noblemen, and established the principle that the monarch and their government are not above the law. It was written to protect the rights of the noblemen against a tyrannical monarch. So let's look again at the options. It was the first document to establish a formal education system. No. It was the first document to grant all people the right to vote. No. It was the first document to limit the power of the king and protect the rights of individuals. C. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you can get a better understanding of the topics you can expect on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.